Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today on this extremely cold and rainy day, we have this 2021 Chevrolet Tahoe High Country. Top of the line for the new Tahoe. Of course, the Suburban's a little bit more, as well as the Yukon XL. It's still a super nice vehicle. You'll notice on the ground there's a Chevy emblem. This, I actually was like, oh, what is that? I figured this out just today. I never knew the Tahoe had it, and it's an ingenious feature. You stick your foot where the Chevrolet emblem is. Oh, is it not going to do it now? There it is. Just like the new Fords, this has a hands-free tailgate. Say you have a bunch of shopping that you have, all your hands are full of groceries, you put it in, and say you're hard pressed to reach for the button that's right there. All you have to do, put your foot by the Chevy emblem. Has to be close to the bumper, it can't be down where the Chevy emblem is, and it closes the tailgate. What I love is it's not like the Fords where it's just, oh, put your foot somewhere in here and it works. It shines a light exactly where the sensor is, and you know where it is every time. Ingenious. As I said, this one's pretty much fully optioned, comes in at $80,495. This one has the High Country Premium Package, which adds a bunch more stuff, and the rear seat media, which I've gone in depth with multiple times over now. 14 city, 19 highway, 16 combined from the 6.2 V8, made it to the GM 10-speed automatic. High Country trim adds some bronze finishing around the front grille area as well as inside. You can kind of see, I'm not sure if it's going to pick it up on camera, on the headrest you have High Country embroidered. High Country here finished on the front fender. You can see it even better right in there. Automatic running boards. You have mountains here for the High Country trim. Nice rear seat area. Here's your rear seat media. High Country kick plate. I'm going to try not to bring dirt and dust into the car, but hey, it happens. Go ahead and move it forward. Give me some heated seat. Your panoramic sunroof. There's the High Country embroidered. Bronze accents are the theme. You got bronze stitching, bronze here on the nice and warm heated steering wheel. Warm up my fingers. Yet again, I'm the idiot that's wearing shorts, so I can't complain. More stitching throughout. But yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and take it out on the road. This is probably close to the 10th Tahoe I've driven, the 2021. Huge fan. Independent rear suspensions, magnificent. And speaking of mag, the magnetic ride is just as good. Potholes, no body roll at all. It just takes the bump and you don't feel a lot of aftershock. It is absolutely phenomenal. If you hit a speed bump at like 30, it go boom boom and done. It's not like it's not gonna go boom 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 for a couple cycles after. It just takes the bump and gets over it. Being so cold today, Not really gonna push the cars too much, plus they're brand new, so I can't anyway. What's the outside temperature? 51 degrees indicated in the car, but the 6.2 produces so much power that in two-wheel drive, it spins the rears pretty easily. See if we can get grip here. Oh yeah, yep, it hooked. Also driving it in sport mode, there's a bunch of different modes. You got normal, off-road, tow haul, and sport. Sport stiffens up your steering, increases throttle response, changes the transmission gear change algorithm. Say that 15 times fast. Changes the algorithm to hold gears a little bit longer, shift higher in the power band, and really just makes it a sportier experience. New for this generation of Tahoe is the independent rear suspension. Really changes the whole driving characteristics of these cars. Of course, you still feel, if you've driven an old previous generation Tahoe, you drive this one, you're gonna feel at home. It's still a big SUV. Still feel king of the road. Unless you park next to somebody with a Suburban or a Yukon XL. Then you won't. Or one of those Ford F650 trucks. Come on, defog. Do a thing. There we go. It's so cold out that everything just fogs up. The 6.2 is a derivative of the motor found in your Camaro SS. Obviously tuned a little bit different, more prioritized for towing and hauling. So it makes a little bit less power, however, still has so much power that I have not once thought I need more. It's something like 420, 430 horsepower, right about there. I mean, you're not gonna need any more than 400 horsepower on your daily commute. In terms of handling, the magnetic ride really eliminates a lot of your body roll. It's pretty much gone. I mean, you have a little bit, but I'm sure if you were to push this on a track, you're gonna start finding some body roll. But you know what? On the street, taking corners, back roads and stuff, you're never gonna really encounter massive leaning. On that note, I want to say thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.